Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fill I declare, that is to travel to Belize. Before I proceed further, if I'm not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, like many countries, Belize too has switched to electronic travel declaration form, which I have opened in front of you. It's available in English and Spanish. You can select here whichever you want to. Now when you begin, first put the capture. I'm very bad in this, I don't know why. Okay, so we are gonna consider the case when you are arriving there. So this is the immigration form. It saves you time because once you submit it, you get an email with the QR code that you can show it to the officer when you go there, so that you don't have to manually fill the forms. Origin of travel, select Canada. You need to do as per your own case. I'm just putting sample. Country of residence, whichever you are, I just select. And sometimes you may need to do show some patience. Fine. Date of arrival, so let's say you're entering on 1st of June. Port of embarkation, last city before arriving in Belize, let's say flight, let's say I'm going sample guys. Your last name. Now everything should match with your passport guys. You do not want to do anything wrong here and then struggle. Date of birth, gender, country of birth. Of course you can search here. Then your nationality, dual nationality. I select no. So this is just sample guys, do as per your own case. Matter status, occupation as per your case. Your passport details, country of issue, date of expiry of your passport, of course. Date of issue, home address, city, of course you know all this. State, province, zip code, contribution last past 30 days. Not mandatory, so I'm just skipping it, but you do as per your case. Intended district, town. Oh, they have a city called Calcutta, I never knew. Intended street, hotel name, so I'll just say hotel A. Non-resident, length of stay 31 days. Let's say we're gonna stay there for 7 days. Purpose of visit, let's say official tourist visitor. I select, oh, I'm sorry, accommodation, let's say hotel. Are you traveling with family? If you go for yes, you need to put the details. If you're going alone, just put no. I mean, according to your case, when you select yes, it creates like information for more people that you can add by clicking. Otherwise, if you go for no, and then you have to click this checkbox and save it. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.